Alright guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Master Morpher because...
unless you got a Master Morpher, you ain't nothing but a cheap copy.
Alright, so to turn your Hasbro Lightning Collection Power Morpher into a Tommy's Master Morpher, you're going to need a few things. First off, you're going to need some clear or some stained glass spray paint, some gold spray paint. Now the gold is obviously going to be your preference on how dark or bright you want it. And then you're going to need a set of BD15 Master Morpher stickers. Now he does sell both the front and the back. I think the back turns this all silver like it was in the show. Because the show, I believe they use the movie Morpher, the legacy one, and that they just kind of customize it from there. But I didn't really need the back, so I saved $5 by just getting the front. And then you're also going to need a PH 0x50 Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. First off, you're going to want to start taking off all the screws. So let's go ahead and do that. That's apart. You're going to want to take off the plate one, so just go ahead and slide that up. Second plate off. Now for the front, you're going to want to take the 4 screws off so you can get this black screen off. All right, now for the rest of it, you can just set it to the side, and then we are going to take this middle screen and the 2 pieces outside to get ready for paint. Okay, so I got it cleaned up a bit. I took some rubbing alcohol, wiped it down to make sure I got any grease off of it. So just go ahead and take your spray paint if it's brand new, test it out a bit, and here we go. I will. Oop. Okay, just let it go light on the first coat, let it sit for about 10 minutes, let it dry, and then go over it with the second coat. Alright, so while we wait for the gold to dry, what do you say we go ahead and take the stained glass green and spray the plate. Go ahead and put this in the middle so this one doesn't fly away either. I don't know how green this is going to be since this base plate started off as like a black. But just go light on the coat. Video said let it dry. The more you put on, the darker it'll get. So I'll keep spraying it until I get a shade I like. Okay, so here we have the dried pieces. The top and the bottom, or bottom and top, whichever one it is. Let's see here. This is bottom, this is top. So I have about 3 coats on here, and it came out the perfect shade, at least for me. So I prefer it this bright. Some of you may prefer it darker, some of you may prefer it even lighter. But this is 3 coats. The first 2 were light, and the second one I went kind of heavy. And as you can see, I just went ahead and put this back on for time's sakes. But the stained glass one made it green. It's kind of foggy, kind of dried weird, but at certain angles you really can't see it. So this is just fine for me. In case you're wondering, it does kind of matter which one goes where. So up here you see the focus. the portions up here up top, the top is longer than the bottom. So when you're reassembling this, make sure the shorter end goes face down. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish assembling this. So this one right here is the top. All right, so now once you got those tight, let's go ahead and reassemble this. So first you're going to want to take this piece right here, put it in just like that. Then you're going to want to take the spring, put it right onto this peg right here, like so. And then you will take your handle, kind of slide that under, and put that back in, and then close that back up and screw her down. Okay, and here we have the fully assembled Power Morpher. As you can see, it's kind of hard to tell that it's actually green in there, but once you open it up, you can see that the plate is green and everything is working as it should. It opens a little bit slower. I think the paint might be dragging up, or I just didn't lower the screen enough. I'll have to go back in. But it still opens. There we go. Get my hand out of the way. All right, so as you can tell, it is not complete, and that is where the BD15 stickers come in. Now, all you got to do is take it off and apply it right over where it was. I think I'm gonna do this off screen. You know what? I'll try it on screen. Let's see how it goes. If it comes off. All right. So we got the first one off. Let's see, this looks like it is the bottom right. Let's see. Wait, is this the bottom right? Maybe it's the top left? Because it looks like it fits there better. Yeah, this might be the top left. Funny. Wasn't even in the right spot. Yeah, no, I'm gonna have to do this off screen. Give me 1 second. All right, there we have it. The stickers are now applied. That was pretty stressful because I suck at putting on stickers. I messed up a tiny bit. Some of it kind of overlaps right there, but it's whatever. And there we go. Your custom Hasbro Lightning Collection Master Morpher. Now, obviously, there are no coins. As of the time of this recording, nobody's made any coins, and even if you did, I don't know if there's any unlocked sounds in here that, you know, are Tommies or whatnot. But if you just want it for display, and then I'm sure somebody's going to make a coin eventually, but there you go. That is how you make a custom Master Morpher. So that was fairly simple, just a little bit time consuming. The paint had to dry, applying the stickers. Yeah, there you go. Super stoked for this one. And just for comparison, I did buy a second one, obviously. This is the regular. So there you have it. Well, until next time, guys. Later.